like to welcome you to Steyn City, everybody. It's a fantastic morning of school cycling. It's an ongelooflijke mooie oggend. Ons sien baie uit na die dag. And we hope that you are going to enjoy the tracks today and look forward to a day of good school cycling racing.
City, die vibe is baie lekker. Daar's lekker baie mense en verskriklik baie skole.
The energy is high, everything is wonderful here.
It's good to see all my friends here and the vibe is good.
Dandelion & Co wishes all the alphas the best of luck. Have a gun race.
Beautiful day out here for racing.
Dankie vir almal se vriendelikheid, die vibes,
Kids love it.
die geselligheid.
It's the place to be.
Ek wil vandag sê, Anna was wen en wen is jou aan.
Steyn City at event number 2 for Gauteng schools to give the kids some nutrition with their races, with the octane that we have. And
to all the winners that's going to be winning the PVM hamper, we just want to say thank you and enjoy it, and we see you at the next series.
Vir ons as ouers is het baie lekker om hier na die skoolfietsry toe te kom. Dit is lekker om te sien die kinders is aktief en is besig. Dis 'n wonderlike inisiatief van die skole af.
It's fantastic to be here at Steyn City. School cycling is where it is. Massive participation. At least 200 kids in each category. This is where it needs to be.
Is vir my lekker want ek kan saam met my maatjies gesels van fietsry.
Bike Service Book was created to help parents make sure that their kids' bikes are in peak shape when starting races. We believe that the well-kept bike, it's a tool to help whoever maintains the bike, just to have a handle on the actual bike maintenance. From Bike Service Book, we wish all the riders best of luck.
Cycling is fun because it helps me energize my legs.
Here at Steyn City, I'm looking forward to an easy course. Fun for my family because we get to go outside and be outdoors and just spending time with the kids. It's really nice and lovely.
Exciting event for coming out in the mornings and spending time doing a sport that we really love.
As ouers om deel te wees van skole fietsry, is dit so lekker en so voorreg om ons kinders te kan sien met soveel talente. En ek dink dit bied vir die kinders soveel geleenthede die fietsry, waar hulle dalk nie in ander sportsoorte goed is nie, kan hulle nou weer in fietsry goed wees.
The kids are happy. They are here to be funky at Socks Factory. If you want to get funky, come see us and have fun. Be colorful. Enjoy. From Socks to all the riders, best of luck.
Lovely to see all these Gutsy kids out on the course. We wish you a great event and I hope that you enjoy the course. We are here to support you, to give you the best cycling kit that you need. And yeah, for any inquiries, you are welcome to come and visit us here at the gazebo.
Vibe at Steyn City is something out of this world. It's incredible to see so many children excited about a sport and getting them out of their houses and off their phones and just enjoying the countryside. And Steyn City is just absolutely a perfect place for cycling. It really is amazing today. Say without a doubt that our cycling has brought in more children into the school, but it's got more children active. It's also beneficial for parent-child relationships because they bond together.
Daar groei dit mos net meer en meer, so die gees raak net al hoe beter en beter. Die kompetisie raak ook net beter en beter wat dit vir ons en ons ouers regtig 'n positiewe impak het op ons skool en ek dink ook op ons leerders wat ry.
Ek het gewen, dit was baie lekker. Ek het een keer gegly, maar het was baie lekker.
Single Track Cycles is here to support all the riders. All the best of luck, guys.
Really a fantastic experience for the kids to take part, and I would really strongly recommend that their kids get involved and come and join in the fun.
Kids to do cycling because it gets you out in nature. Cycling is so cool because it's not really nice to sit there on your couch eating potato chips and doing nothing.
I would encourage other kids to do cycling because it boosts your confidence.
is very proud to be here today, supporting the young cyclists with our helmets and sunglasses, keeping them safe and comfortable. It's very nice to see all the young talent out here. Everyone racing, stay safe, enjoy it, give it your best.
Die fietsry is asemrowend. Ons skool se fietsry groei nou baie mooi. Ons het 'n paar sterk ryers, goeie potensiaal in 'n skool. En die vibe by Steyn City is altyd lekker en is baie mooi. Mense is lekker gesellig.
My start was goed, die roete was plat en 'n bietjie bilte. Ons het dit geniet om fiets te ry, almal het hulle beste gegee.
Die baan is 'n baie lekker kort en vinnige baan. Ons het begin en ons almal het in 'n groot groep saamgesit. Op die eerste lap was dit ek en James Lotter wat saamgesit het. I would encourage other children or people to cycle because it is a wonderful feeling after you race. You feel like you've achieved something wonderful. Fietsry is vir my 'n baie lekker sport want dit bou spangees en dit is 'n lekker spansport en ek meen dit bou tegniese vaardighede en dit is 'n baie lekker sport. Ek probeer oopmaak en ek het elke lap net my gap bietjie oper en oper gemaak. Laaste lap het ek deurgekom, eerste plek.
Race was very fast, it was very flat and it was definitely hard. I hung onto Janelle's wheel for the first lap and then Shanique and I worked together to pull a gap and then on one of the hills I pulled a gap on her.
Die start was baie maklik, maar sodra jy soos in die middel gekom het, dan is dit baie moeiliker en dan aan die einde is dit weer maklik. My advies op 'n ander fietsryer is probeer net jou beste en dan sal jy daar kom waar jy wil kom.
Wel, Voorpel se dogters was laas jaar by Nationals gewees en ons hoop ons gaan hierdie jaar weer.
My advice to other girl riders out there is keep pushing and witness the fitness.
Laerskoolfietsry is lekker.
Laerskoolfietsry is lekker.
Fietsry is lekker.
Gutsy wishes you the best of luck for the day.
To do mountain biking because I fundamentally feel it teaches life skills such as self-confidence.
It's team spirit, team sport, working together, working hard, pushing himself past the limits if he can. So that is some of the life skills that we can see in him developing.
Camaraderie, sportsmanship, and it's good for fitness.
Ons kinders neem so lekker deur aan die fietsry. Ons spanne groei, die venues groei. Dit is so lekker om deel te neem en ons kinders kry liefde vir die sport van fietsry.
So 'n groeiende sport en wat gedoen word deesdae vir kinders in fietsry. As jy net kyk na die hoeveelhede wat hier opgedaag het vandag, as jy kyk na die deelname, as jy kyk van hoe kleins af hulle dit begin doen, dis ongelooflik. Wel dan vir al die skole wat deelneem, dis ongelooflik en dit is net great om hier te kan wees.
Om ry saam met ons fiets, dis baie lekker om fiets te ry en hulle kan ook lekker hard oefen vir dit.
Ouers, dis regtig 'n veilige omgewing, baie goed georganiseer en regtig 'n baie goeie manier om in fietsry in te kom as 'n sport.
I like cycling because it can be fun or competitive and you learn every time you ride.
Ek wil net aan Laerskool Witpoort se kinders sê, ons is baie trots op julle, hou aan met wat julle doen en ons kan nie wag vir die volgende ene nie.
We've come to the end of a great day here at Steyn City. It was a fantastic day out to be involved with all the schools, all the riders and the parents coming out to support our riders. We hope to see you soon at number 3 at Idlewild on the 25th of July, 2026.